everyone, my name is Mars, like the planet, and this is Housewarmin. Today I'm going to be doing my 3-month retwist. I started these locks on myself on September 1st of 2023, so December marks 3 months of me being locked. I maintain these locks myself, and I also do my retwist, my washes, and my color. I have already colored, washed, and detangled my hair a little bit. If you are interested in seeing my color refresh as well as how I wash my locks, I already have videos made on those, and so I will link those down in the description box below. So to retwist my hair, I am using the Jamaican Mango and Lime. I know I start off with a different product, but I do end up switching to the Jamaican Mango and Lime lock gel. I'm also going to be using a bit of olive oil to oil my scalp, and I'm just going to have a spray bottle handy. When I'm retwisting my hair, I want to make sure that my hair is damp, so I'm not just breaking apart dry hair. You always want to try to detangle and part hair when it is a little bit wet. Your hair does not have to be soaking wet, but it does have to be a little damp. So if my hair does dry out along the way, I also have a spray bottle handy. So to retwist, it's very simple. I'm just going to start from the back of my head and work my way up. It does take a little bit of patience. And like I said, if you do not have this type of patience, if this is just not something you're interested in doing, I am always going to suggest that you go to a loctician or you go to a hairstylist to help you do your hair. I am just sectioning off the bottom row of my hair, and I am basically going to oil my scalp. Then I am going to take one lock. I'm going to section it out. This is the time where you can kind of get all the frizzies in order. Any parting that you may want to straighten up, this is the time that you would want to do that. I do have a lot of straight pieces coming off of my hair because I did just dye my hair, so I do have a couple of straight pieces. I'm just going to take that loose hair and I'm going to just wrap it around the lock until I run out of hair strands, and then I'm going to start retwisting. I'm going to take a little bit of the lock gel, I'm going to place it on my root, and then I'm going to twirl the lock around my finger to the right. You want to make sure that when you are retwisting your hair, that you retwist your hair the same direction every single time. And all of the locks should be going the exact same way. So I'm going to twirl my lock to the right or clockwise, and then I'm going to start palm rolling. Palm rolling is just going to encourage all of that hair to form into that particular lock. So I'm going to start rolling the lock between my hands, and once it becomes tight at the scalp, I'm then going to place a clip on it to hold it. And then I'm just going to repeat that over my entire head. So once again, I'm going to separate out my locks. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my scalp. Then I'm going to take a little bit of lock gel, place it at my root. I'm going to twirl my hand towards the right or clockwise. Then I'm going to start palm rolling. Once again, if I have any loose hair, I'm just going to wrap that up and around the lock. When you are retwisting your hair, this is the best time to make sure that all of the loose hair is going into the particular lock that you want it to go into. This is why retwisting your hair in the beginning of your lock journey is so important, just because matting can occur and you're going to have to start pulling apart locks and popping locks and things like that. And you really don't want to like damage your hair in that way and start ripping and cutting and doing all of that. So you really want to make sure that you are guiding each hair into the lock that it is supposed to go in. For daily maintenance on my locks, I just spray my hair with a little bit of water, and then I oil my locks with extra virgin olive oil at least once to twice a week. You do not have to oil your locks every day. That's something that is actually discouraged, but I do spray my hair. I just have a little bit of water and a few drops of tea tree oil in a spray bottle, and then I just spray my hair and mist it. It's not dripping wet or anything like that. I'm just misting my locks to encourage my locks to start forming up. You can kind of think of it, if you wash your hair and just left it and didn't come out, it would start to mat. That matting is what I actually want. So I really do want my locks to start forming. You can see that a few of my locks are completely locked from root to tip, but a lot of them, including on the right side of my head, I still kind of have a long way to go. It really just depends on where my hair is. Some in the back are really kind of halfway there. You can still see the loose natural hair, and a lot of these skinnier ones are just still kind of taking their time, and that's completely fine. I am completely along with this journey. I never really had any interest in lock extensions or instant locks or anything like that. However long my hair takes is how long it takes, but I do want to encourage that locking, so that is why I spray my hair with water every day. Other than that, I really don't have any other type of maintenance on my locks. I do wrap them up at night with just a scarf or a bonnet or a lock cap, and that is about it. So I'm just going to continue with my entire head, and then I'll come back at the end. But yeah, that is my 3-month lock update. I really love the progress that I've made so far. I'm excited to see where I'll be at 6 months. I really love the color in my hair. Once again, if you're interested in seeing how I dyed my hair or any of my other videos on my locks, I already have a playlist made, so you can definitely check them out. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment telling me if you liked it or you didn't. And I post new videos every single Wednesday, so I will see you guys next week. Bye.